Hello everyone. You must have gone through the explanation link of the chapter Geometry. Let's summarize the chapter in this video. Topics to be covered are Introduction to Geometry, some basic definitions, circle and its part, formula for finding diameter and radius, construction of circle and some question based on circle. A smooth flat surface which extends endlessly in all the direction is called plane. A plane has two dimensions, length and breadth. A point is a mark of position. A point has no length, no breadth and no thickness. Here you can see that a point is represented by a capital letter. A line has no endpoint. It has arrowheads on both sides. A line does not have a definite length. Here you can see that line AB extends in both the directions. A line segment is a part of line. It has two endpoints. A line segment has a definite length. Here you can see that AB is a line segment with two endpoints. A ray has one endpoint and an arrowhead. A ray does not have a definite length. Here you can see that AB is a ray with one endpoint and one arrowhead. The lines in a plane that never meet and are always at an equal distance from each other are called parallel line. Here, line M is parallel to line N. The example of parallel line is railway track. The lines which cross each other at a point are called intersecting lines. The point at which they cross is called point of intersection. Here, line SR and PT are the intersecting lines. They intersect at a point B. Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect to form a right angle, that is, angle of 90 degree. The symbol used for perpendicular line is shown on your screen. There are total 4 right angles are to be formed. Here, line M is perpendicular to line N. Let's talk about angle and its part. An angle is made by two rays when they meet at a common point. Here the common point is O and the two rays are OA and OB. The common point always comes between the two rays. The symbol of an angle is this. The name of the angle is angle AOB. Also you can write angle BOA. Important thing is that while writing the name of angle, first of all you have to write the symbol of the angle. And second thing is that your vertex, that is the common point, always comes between the two rays. So here you can see that O comes between the name of the angle. Arms by which the angle is formed. So here the arms are OB, OA. OB and OA are the two rays. So here you have to place the symbol of the ray, which I already explained to you in the topic of rays. Vertex, the common point at which the angle is formed. So here the vertex is O. An angle is measured in degrees. This is the symbol of degree. So 35 degree. 35 degree is an angle. Same as that 130 degree is an angle. Let us begin by learning about the geometrical instrument protractor. A protractor is used to measure angles. Angles are measured in degrees. Each tiny marks on the protractor show 1 degree. It has markings from 0 degree to 180 degree. We can read 0 degree to 180 degrees from left to right and also from right to left. Now let's talk about types of angles. We are having different type of angles, but in our syllabus we are going to study only 3 types of angle. So first type of angle is acute angle. Acute angle means the angle whose measure lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Here you can see that this angle is greater than 0 degree but lesser than 90 degree. So these type of angles are called acute angle. For example, if the measure of the angle is 10 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 85 degree, 17 degree, 19 degree, 21 degree, 71 degree. So all the measure lie between 0 degree and 90 degree. So these type of angles are called acute angle. Here angle ABC is an acute angle. Second type of angle is right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called as right angle. So here you can see that the measure of the angle is exact 90 degree. So here angle LMN is right angle. The third type of angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle whose measure lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Here you can see that the measure of this angle is greater than 90 degree but lesser than 180 degree. So these type of angle are known as obtuse angle. For example, if the measure of the angle is 105 degree, 130 degree, 175 degree, 155 degree, 141 degree. So all the measure lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. So these type of angles are called obtuse angle. So here angle PQR is an obtuse angle. Now let's talk about polygon and its types. The simple closed figure made up of 3 or more line segment is called polygon. Here you can see that in first figure we are having 3 line segment. In second figure we are having 4 line segment. And both the figures are simple closed figure. So these type of figures are called as polygon. Now here you can see that we are having 3 line segment but one side is open. In this figure we are having 2 line segment but curved part is there. And this is circle. It is not made up of any line segment. So these type of figures are not a polygon. So you can also say that circle is not a polygon because there is no line segment used to make a circle. Now let's talk about type of polygon. We are having 2 type of polygons. Regular polygon, irregular polygon. Regular polygon is a polygon where all the sides are equal in length. Here you can see that this figure is made by 3 line segment and the length is 4 cm for all the 3 line segments. This figure is made by 4 line segments and the length of the line segment is 5 for all the 4 sides. So this type of polygons are called as regular polygon. Irregular polygon is a polygon whose sides are not equal. Here you can see that this figure is made by 3 line segments and the length is different. This figure is made by 4 line segments and the length of the sides is different for all the 4 sides. So this type of figures, or you can say that this type of polygons are called as irregular polygon. Now let's talk about types of regular polygon. We are having 2 types of regular polygon. First is triangle. A triangle is a simple closed figure made by 3 line segments. Here we are having 3 types of triangle. First is equilateral triangle. Equilateral means equal in length. So the triangle where all the 3 sides equal in length is called equilateral triangle. Here you can see that this triangle is made by 3 line segments and the length of each line segment is same. So this type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Second type of triangle is isosceles triangle, where any 2 sides are equal in length. Here you can see that in this triangle 2 sides are equal but third side is different. So this type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. Third type is scalene triangle, where all the 3 sides are not equal, means all the 3 sides are different. Here you can see that all the 3 sides are different. So this type of triangle is called scalene triangle. Second type of regular polygon is quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a simple closed figure made by 4 line segments. There are different type of quadrilateral: square, rectangle, rhombus. So here you can see that all these 3 figures are simple closed figure and made by using 4 line segments. So they comes under quadrilateral. I hope you enjoyed the chapter in this video. In the next video, we are going to study about the circle and some questions.